Let me turn my AC down here, but good afternoon, PC Nation. It's youth season here in Idaho. It's a beautiful day today. Well, kind of. Now the clouds are starting to roll in, but there's some sunshine out there. There's some blue skies. We are on a youth hunt today. I'm meeting up with my good buddy Brad and his girlfriend Kiah, and we're taking out a kid named Wyatt. So, opening day is this weekend, so we're gonna get one crack at the youth birds and see what they're doing, see what they're up to. I've never hunted the spot. Brad's hunted the spot, so he's gonna have a better idea of what's going on. But yeah, I'm excited. You know, haven't got to hunt turkeys with them and since last season, obviously. So super excited and can't wait to see what happens. So we'll catch up with them when they get here. Ones of the day have been found. Sweet little piece of property down here. So there's a llama. But yeah, turkeys are already on the move. So we're gonna see if we can fire some up. And it literally just started snowing. So I'm like really confused right now, but it's looking good. This is in a big valley. We've goose hunted right next here before. And the goose hunting was sick. And when we were goose hunting, there was a ton of birds. And by birds, I mean turkeys. So we're super pumped to be hunting these turks. So hunting these high fence turkeys today. High fence turks. I'm just kidding. These aren't high fence. They don't have high fences like Texas. All right, these are the folks we're hunting with today. Who do we have?
We got Brad Lundy.
Kiah.
And the superstar.
Wyatt.
Are you excited to go turkey hunt today?
Sure am.
Have you ever shot one before?
I've shot 3.
Ooh, all right, well, hopefully we'll make it 4.
Okay.
Let's do it.
All right, so we just stepped out of the vehicle and they hit him with the binoculars, and there's a tom that we can see already. So I think we're trying to make a move on him. There's a creek that we gotta figure out how to navigate by, but I think we're gonna try to call him over and set up on him. So we'll see what we can do. All right, well, we've got turkeys on this hillside here working, and then there's turkeys in this field in front of us working. So we're trying to figure out what the best play is as far as cover and like where we can get them wide on a shot. So that's gonna be the tough part, but I think we can figure it out. Those are different birds. So, all right. I mean, that's fine. Us. That's a sapling. All right, so we're set up in a spot. We got some birds gobbling off to our left. We're all set up here. And the decoys are right out front. I'll cut to a clip from the big camera. We just made some cuts. Trying to get them fired up. It just randomly started dumping snow. So, yeah, but we're gonna try to get after it. All right, so it sounds like the two toms are making their way over. We keep calling at them, and they keep firing off, and it sounds closer and closer every time, so I think they're on the way over here. So, good signs, good signs. The snow is dying off, thank God. What a weird series of events. Leave the shop, it was beautiful, sunny. Get up here, clouds roll in, and it starts dumping snow. All right, well, we're back at the trucks. I'm gonna make a move. We had one Tom come, but then just skirted us off. I think I called a little too much, trying to get him to come in. He was a little weird about the whole situation, so we got like almost 5 hours left to hunt. So I think we're gonna go hunt this upper piece where we've heard a bunch firing off, and hope for the best. So fingers crossed we'll get it done. Sun's out. It's not snowing anymore.
Sun's out,
So what are you thinking? What are your thoughts?
I don't know. That one was pretty darn close to us and then just went up the hill and didn't get a shot.
So, all right. Well, I think we're going to go chase these toms that are gobbling up the ridge a little bit and see what we can do.
Alrighty.
All right, so we got spot number 2. We're setting the decoys up, checking. We don't see anything in the field. We got birds gobbling down below. So we're gonna try to hopefully get them to come up the hill. And if that doesn't work, we're gonna, I don't know what we're gonna do. Probably make a move on them. But that's the plan as of now. Alright, so we are set up in the second spot. We got them gobbling on the road. So we're thinking it's gonna be pretty good. Sounds like they're already working their way up. Sounds like they're walking the road and gobbling. We're set up in a really good spot. Got a big open field with the decoy probably in the highest point of the field. So hopefully it's good. Every time you cut, he calls and cuts you off. Good job. Heck yeah, way to be patient. Oh my God.
Nice work. High five.
Oh,
Nicely done.
oh. All right, Wyatt, what just happened?
We got a turkey.
Look at him.
Still flocking.
Can't stop the
Look at
flow.
those sperms.
Man.
Oh my
Oh
God.
my goodness.
Whoa.
Dude.
Got some hook.
That is a
Go
hammer.
ahead.
You're what?
Definitely.
That
Oh
is
my
awesome.
God.
The other ones were much smaller.
Jeez.
Cool.
I still can't get over
Hit him
these.
right in the side of the head.
Those are.
Not seen
those
birds
are
like
hooked.
That is
in our area for so
Oh
long.
my gosh.
after they shoot a nice turkey or any animal.
Pretty stoked.
Yeah, for sure.
Did you think we did it done on the first day?
After seeing all those turkeys out there and having that first opportunity, and then after it rained yesterday and was nicer weather today, I thought there was a chance, but had no idea that we were gonna get one this big. That is
He
awesome.
just
You can tell
smoked
he
an
was pretty
absolute
wet.
hammer. This is a good bird for up here in the mountains.
Oh my, the spurs first thing I
Mountain
saw
Merriam.
when we walked.
Yeah. Normally like Miriam's up here, they have like the dull spurs. These are actual
Yeah.
like hooks.
Yeah, that is,
So this is like a really big bird with good beard.
the spurs on my other two toms were just like
Little nubs.
teensy.
Yeah.
This
Now you
is
got
nice,
a good set of hooks.
nice
that.
mature
Just crazy.
pool by his house.
An absolute hammer there, buddy. That's a good one.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Or Coleman seems super sad. Like, yeah.
That's a good
Yeah.
beard too.
It's early in the season. We had birds picked out first thing in the morning. We're surrounded by birds, and I think this was the same one that came strutting off the hill to the decoys. He
Oh,
got a
down
little
there?
spooked. Yeah, he got a little spooked and came back up the hill, and we took a little break, warmed up a little bit, cut him off. We came around instead of straight up, and came around, heard him gobbling, kind of where he walked to, and set the decoys up, called, and I would say, what, 2 minutes maybe? And
Yeah.
he comes strutting right over the hill there. And I mean, he was like in our laps in a second, but once he got to the decoys, he just wasn't super convinced. He wasn't aggressive enough. So Wyatt turned the gun. Every time he'd strut, he'd turn the gun just a little more at a time, and he was able to put it right on his head and dump him right in his tracks. On a stud Mountain Merriam. That is a hammer. That is a hammer. Nice work, Wyatt.
We did it.
How are you feeling after all this?
Very happy, very excited. Thank you very much, Brad.
Absolutely.
Nice work, dude. Let him in that gun, Bradley.
Yeah, this was
Going pretty heavy.
an awesome hunt. We'll see if I'm not 100% sure on the kill shot, but we know I got him shooting. Bird was just being funny coming in. It's early. It's second week of April.
Yeah, he was not coming in.
He was just not in the mood to fight the decoy yet, which that's understandable. I mean, the birds on the neighboring property were still in their wintering groups, so like they weren't wanting to fight whatsoever. So makes sense. But hopefully, I mean, season opens this weekend, so hopefully, as it's going to be sunshiny, warm, bluebird days, owls fell. We hopefully we'll be putting them down and they'll be fighting soon. All right, what do you have to say to the people out there?
I'm very excited that we got this done.
Big old bird.
Yeah. Monster beard.
Heck
Nice
yeah, man.
turkey.
Well, good job. Give me some ducks. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.